Good morning. This is Simon Leaving from Roast Meats at the JFDF event All Ale the Grill. And this morning we had a little session, a class session. We taught a basic rub, a basic sauce, and then we transformed those basic sauces as bases, and then we moved it to an Asian style pork chop with a hoisin and oyster sauce barbecue sauce. And then what we did is that we quick cured some salmon, and then we topped it off with the barbecue sauce and a very quick ginger scallion jerk sauce.
It was an exceptional experience. It's actually something that's super unique to Jamaica, which was a live cooking class where we were able to do different meals that were perfect for grilling. We had our star brewer, who is Helen Simpson, who spoke about the process of making Heineken and what makes it so special. And then we jumped into a Heineken-inspired cocktails. One is a burrito, which is a very special twist on a mojito. And then we also have our French Connection, which is an elevated cocktail. These two cocktails show the versatility of Heineken and how you can consume it and have it from day to day, as well as it also showed that you can also enjoy Heineken cold and just in its natural form as well.